Welcome back to the channel, everybody. There's Christmas in New Mexico. T-shirt weather, but I'm a sissy. I like it warm. I know you guys are cold out there. Oh, that weather got you good, suckers. All right, so this is all I got for you today on the New Holland. This is my patented Townsend Living rubber baby buggy bumper car pusher, quick attach. Patented Townsend Automotive quick attach rubber buggy bumper. Rolls right off the tongue. So, skid steer quick attach plate. So comes off. And semi-truck loading dock bumpers. So, as most of you know, I have a mechanic shop here. So this is my device to push vehicles around. I got the winch on the front of the Jeep. I showed that, how I get cars on the lift. This will be another method of pushing things around. Already used it, works pretty well. Hopefully won't scratch anything. Pretty hard rubber, but yeah, not bad, should work. So I just got to add some hooks in here somewhere. Deep enough in here to where I can't get into anything with the hooks. And that way if we need to pull anything backwards, we can. And then after I add the hooks in, I'll take everything back apart and powder coat it. And call it good. Patented. Townsend Living skid steer quick attach rubber buggy bumpers. That's my Christmas project. I gotta go deep fry a bird. And what else? Oh, some ice cream. I'm gonna deep fry some ice cream. Twinkies. Chicken. And play with my rubber baby buggy bumper. Merry Christmas. We'll see you guys on the next video.